Hey everyone, and welcome. And today I will show you how to delete your Google Business profile. Okay guys, the first I will show you how to do it on your mobile phone. Then I want to show you how to do it on your PC. So first you want to go and open the Google or any browser that you have. And of course, you should be signed in using your account. And now we want to search for My Business. Then here, as you can see, you will see this page. You want to scroll down till you get here to this section. And you want to go and click on your profile, just like so. Then it will open this menu. Simply click on these three dots on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on Business Profile Settings. And after that, here you can see this page. Now simply go and click on Remove Business Profile. Then go and click on Remove Profile Content and Managers. And after that, here you can see this page. Simply click on Continue and you're all done. Click on Remove and your account has been successfully removed. Now let's jump into how to do it on your PC. First, you want to go and open your browser, then search for My Business. Then you want to scroll down till you find here this section. Click on View Profile right here. Once you click on View Profile here, you can see this page. Simply click on Edit Profile. Then you want to go and click on Location. Then scroll down a little bit, then go up again and click on the pencil icon. After you click on the pencil icon here, you can see this page. Simply toggle this option off, then click on Save. And after that, you want to go back again and click on these three dots, vertical dots right here. Then you want to go and click on Business Profile Settings. Then click on Remove Business Profile. Then click on Remove Profile Content and Managers. Then you want to go and click on Continue. Then click on Remove and you're all done. And that's all. Share this video to your friend that wants to remove the Google Business profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in a new video.